Did you know that there is a nature preserve right up of Mesa Street that is managed by Frontera Land Alliance?
This preserve is called the Wakeem Teschner Nature Preserve of Wrestler Canyon, named after its preservationists.
This 2-mile hiking area includes 3 trails: the prickly pear, the willow, and the creosote.
Keep in mind to stay on the trail to protect the habitat and to prevent erosion.
A few of these animals that live in this area are black-chinned hummingbird, golden eagle, black-tailed jackrabbit, and checkered whiptail lizard.
This area also houses a lot of native plants like the desert willow, the prickly pear cactus, the barrel cactus, the octilio, and the creosote bush.
Get outdoors and uplift your mind, body, and soul, and appreciate nature.